The Manager's Work Request Overview is a new view in Facilities Management which shows the peaks and troughs of work requests. So I've come into AssetWhere Facilities Management, selecting View Reporting Stats and selecting last year. So showing the last 12 months, and now I want to view that. So instantly I can see the monthly breakdown, the difference between scheduled and non-scheduled work requests. And I can also then see the assets creating the most work requests. And this is the vehicles and the drones. And if I can scroll down, I can see the average time of completion. So this is a really good way for staff to manage contractors. For example, how long does it take them to check all the fire services, which may potentially sit outside the service level agreement. And if I keep going down, I can see the average completion by priority. So how are we going with that? And I can see that urgent jobs have really blown out. Why is that happening? And then finally, which building is causing me the most grief? And I can instantly see it's the Adams building where most of the requests are coming in. So it gives you a really quick snapshot of work requests and some of the key information that sits around it, making it much easier to manage those day-to-day priorities.